Alright guys, welcome back to the Taj Mahal. Sunday, May the 20th. Long weekend up here, Victoria Day on Monday. We had a busy week, so I haven't been out here since I was out here with Aline doing the fender vents. And you can see the aftermath of that apparent here. I haven't cleaned up since then, so I think the first matter of the day will be to clean up the space a little bit. Get rid of the evidence and give out the garage a pretty good sweep out, and then we'll go from there. Okay, after about a half an hour or so, the garage is now clean and a little more organized. You get a little more floor space to work with. So I think what we'll do is we'll charge up the compressor and we'll break out the air die grinder and we'll clean up some of this weld off of these areas that we repaired. Seems like a very long time ago now. So anyway, we'll play around with this, and we've got some to fix on that side as well. So we'll go ahead and grind away. Alright, 21st of May. It's a Monday, Victoria Day holiday, long weekend here. We got Les. Les is being a mime today. Anyway, we're on our way up to storage. We're going to bring home the 1960 TR3A today, hopefully. We'll see if she starts after a long winter's rest. We'll get it off its rolling jacks and we'll maybe tuck the TR6 away in its place. Anyway, we'll bring you back once we make some progress and once we get to storage. Alright, the TR6 is out in the sun again, just having a nice sun bath. And we've got the 60 TR3A off its rolling stands. So we're just about to pop the bonnet. We just put the seats back in. Take them out for winter storage. Since they're stuffed with horsehair, the mice tend to like them quite a bit. So we will see if we can get this started without too much of a problem. So we'll pop the hood and have a look. Okay, so we've checked the oil, we've primed the carbs, and we've checked the fluids, and everything looks good. Looks like I have some battery power. So we'll turn the camera over to Les and see if we can get this thing cranked up. Ready?
It on?
Yeah.
I don't have to push a button.
No, it's on, Les. You ready?
Hey ladies and gentlemen, here we got Chef Tush here on his little toy again. And now we're going to give you a look at the motor on this girl. Not a whole lot to these things, you know. They used them in lawnmowers in the 70s and 60s, but she looks pretty clean and nice and ready to go. Come on, David. There she is. Whoa, doesn't that beauty sound nice? Listen to that. I'm proud of this tractor engine. She's a beauty. She's a beauty tractor. She's got to be one of them Massey Fergusons.
Alright, pretty darn good for having set the whole winter.
Sounds great.
That sounds pretty good. So we'll pull her out into the sun. And it started better than the 6, that's for sure. Anyway, we'll get her outside and we'll check her out. So she seems to have survived the winter pretty well. Seems to be running and idling, so that's a good thing. Just bringing it up to temperature. And we'll get her home shortly. Les is just doing a bang-up job sweeping out the old spot. And he said we'll try to move the TR6 in where we pulled the TR3 out. Alright, that's it for now. And while we're up here, Les is going to try to give the Capri a quick startup. So we've got the booster pack on the battery. Looks like she's completely dead, but we'll give her a shot. Okay, Les, you're on.
Just got lights.
You're on.
Okay.
Let her rip. Neutral.
Hear it? Hear the fuel pump?
Yep. Come on, baby. What are you doing?
I'm going to turn it over. Sounds good, didn't it?
Keep going. There we go. Nice little idle. You spoke too soon. Alright, so she started. We'll see if we can make her idle. We're running pretty rich. Les is in there laying down with the gas pedal because he's still got his hip problem with his hip operation, so he's working the gas with his hand like a pro. Alright, they're all put to bed, so we're off back home. So we'll see how the TR3 runs after its long winter's nap. Absolutely beautiful day for a drive today. Good day to be bringing the car home. Long weekend. Yeah, baby. Nice little twisty road. Alright, we'll let you go. Alright, home safe and sound in the garage. We made a little room for it. So the only thing that seems to have been a casualty over the winter time is this little trim strip above the mirror has decided to break for some reason, so that's pretty minor. Probably fix that with a little bit of epoxy. But this thing runs remarkably well. I'm very, very happy with it. So we had a nice drive back home. Beautiful day, like I mentioned. So yeah, we'll do a few little spring jobs on it. Nothing too major. And we'll enjoy driving it.